Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of scented plants, those botanical marvels that can transform your garden from a visual delight into a true sensory haven. Imagine, if you will, stepping into your garden and being greeted not just by a tapestry of colors, but also by a symphony of scents. Let's explore these aromatic wonders together, discovering how they can lift your mood and bring an entirely new dimension to your outdoor space. Our journey into the fragrant world of scented plants begins with a familiar favorite, lavender. This iconic plant, with its silvery green foliage and spikes of purple blooms, is instantly recognizable for its calming, sweet floral scent. Lavender's aroma is not only pleasing to us but also acts as a natural deterrent to pests, keeping unwanted visitors at bay. Imagine running your hand through a row of lavender, releasing its soothing fragrance into the warm summer air. Whether planted in borders to line pathways or potted on a sunny patio, lavender is a true sensory delight. As the sun begins to set and dusk descends, another fragrant beauty takes center stage, jasmine. This climbing vine, with its delicate star-shaped flowers, releases a rich, exotic aroma that perfumes the evening air. Imagine relaxing on a warm summer night, a gentle breeze carrying the intoxicating scent of jasmine across your garden. Whether allowed to ramble over a trellis or adorn a fence, jasmine transforms any space into a romantic haven. Its intoxicating fragrance is not only captivating, but also attracts beneficial pollinators, adding to the biodiversity of your garden. Transport yourself to a warm southern garden, where the air hangs heavy with the intoxicating fragrance of gardenia. These elegant plants, with their glossy green leaves and creamy white blooms, are a true feast for the senses. The intense, sweet fragrance of gardenia is unforgettable, filling the air with a luxurious aroma. Imagine strolling through a garden adorned with these fragrant beauties, their heady perfume creating an almost tropical atmosphere. While gardenias thrive in warmer climates, their captivating fragrance makes them a worthwhile challenge for gardeners in cooler regions. Chapter 4. Rose, a timeless classic. No exploration of scented plants would be complete without paying homage to the undisputed queen of the garden, the rose. For centuries, roses have captivated us with their elegant beauty and intoxicating fragrance. From the delicate scent of old-fashioned varieties to the heady perfume of modern hybrids, there's a rose to suit every taste and garden style. Imagine cutting a bouquet of freshly bloomed roses, their fragrance filling your home with a romantic ambiance. Whether you prefer classic red roses, delicate pink blooms, or sunny yellow varieties, the rose remains an enduring symbol of love, beauty, and captivating fragrance. Chapter 5. Honeysuckle, a symphony for the senses. Let's venture now into a woodland garden, where the sweet, honey-like scent of honeysuckle hangs heavy in the air. This vigorous climber, with its clusters of trumpet-shaped flowers, is a true delight for both the eyes and the nose. The intoxicating fragrance of honeysuckle is particularly potent in the evening, attracting a flurry of nocturnal pollinators. Imagine watching as hummingbirds flit from flower to flower, their tiny wings beating a frenzied rhythm as they feast on the sweet nectar. Honeysuckle, with its intoxicating fragrance and ability to attract beneficial wildlife, is a true asset to any garden. Chapter 6. Sweet alyssum, a carpet of honeyed fragrance. Sometimes, the most unassuming plants can offer the most delightful surprises. Take sweet alyssum, for instance. This low-growing annual, often used as a border plant or ground cover, produces masses of tiny flowers that release a delicate honey-sweet aroma. Imagine walking along a path lined with sweet alyssum, its honeyed fragrance wafting up with every step you take. This charming plant is not only a feast for the senses, but also attracts beneficial insects, making it a valuable addition to any pollinator-friendly garden. Chapter 7. Daphne, a breath of springtime. As winter's grip begins to loosen and the first hints of spring appear, the garden awakens with the intoxicating fragrance of Daphne. This early blooming shrub, with its clusters of small, star-shaped flowers, packs a powerful punch when it comes to fragrance. Imagine stepping outside on a crisp spring day and being greeted by the heady, citrus-like aroma of Daphne. Its intoxicating scent is a sure sign that warmer days are on their way. While all parts of the Daphne plant are toxic, its early spring fragrance makes it a treasured addition to many gardens. For many, the scent of lilac evokes memories of childhood gardens and lazy spring days. This old-fashioned favorite, with its large clusters of fragrant blooms, has been a garden staple for generations. Imagine standing beneath a lilac bush in full bloom, its heady floral scent filling the air with a nostalgic aroma. Whether you prefer the classic purple variety, the delicate white blooms, or the vibrant pink hues, lilac is a timeless treasure that continues to captivate with its beauty and fragrance. As daylight fades and the stars begin to twinkle, a secret world of fragrance comes alive in the garden. Night-scented stock, an unassuming plant by day, transforms as darkness falls, releasing a spicy sweet scent that perfumes the night air. Imagine stepping outside on a warm summer evening and being greeted by the intoxicating aroma of night-scented stock. This fascinating plant is a must-have for any moon garden, attracting nocturnal pollinators with its intoxicating fragrance. Our fragrant journey concludes with a flower that embodies romance and beauty, the peony. These lush, full-bodied blooms with their layers of delicate petals release a soft, fresh floral scent that is both captivating and alluring. Imagine strolling through a garden filled with peonies in full bloom, their intoxicating fragrance creating an atmosphere of pure romance. Whether you prefer classic pink peonies, vibrant coral varieties, or delicate white blooms, these fragrant beauties are a true testament to the power of nature's artistry. And so, our journey through the fragrant world of scented plants comes to an end. From the calming aroma of lavender to the intoxicating scent of jasmine, from the delicate fragrance of sweet alyssum to the heady perfume of gardenia, we've explored a diverse array of plants that can transform your garden into a true sensory haven. Remember, gardening is a journey of discovery, and incorporating scented plants into your outdoor space is a wonderful way to engage all your senses and create a truly immersive experience.